In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate eBay to participate in auctions. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or just beginning to explore the world of virtual marketplaces, this guide will help you engage with eBay's auction system confidently and successfully. Let's dive right in. To start, make sure you're on the eBay homepage. You can access this by opening your internet browser and typing in eBay's address. Once there, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed. It's usually towards the top of the page and very easy to find. This search function is your gateway to thousands of products, including those available via auction. In the search bar, type the word auction. This simple action will pull up numerous items currently being auctioned on eBay. The search results, which appear in a list format, represent various items from different sellers. These auction items could range from electronics and collectibles to fashion items and more, depending on what's available at the time of your search. Once your search results have loaded, take a moment to browse through the options. Try to identify items that interest you. You might find it helpful to refine the results using the filter options, usually located on the side of the page, where you can adjust criteria like category, price range, condition, and more to better suit your needs. This can help narrow down your choices and make the selection process quicker and easier. Now, suppose you found an item that catches your eye. Click on it to view more details. This action will take you to the product page. Here you'll find important information about the item, including a description, the current highest bid, and shipping details. Always take a moment to go over seller ratings and review any product images thoroughly. This ensures you're making your purchase decision with a full understanding of what's at stake. If you've decided you want to bid on this item, look for the Place Bid button. It should be visible on the product page. Clicking this button allows you to enter your bid amount. When entering your bid, be strategic. You want to be competitive, but also mindful of your budget. Remember that eBay's automated bidding system may allow others to automatically outbid you if they have set a higher maximum bid. Once you're satisfied with the amount you've entered, confirm your bid. And that's it. You've successfully placed a bid in an eBay auction. Keep an eye on your email or eBay notifications as the auction progresses. You'll be notified if someone outbids you, giving you the opportunity to enter a higher bid if you choose. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to navigate eBay's auction listings and place bids with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy bidding.